In the quiet moments of our day, do you ever feel a certain weight? A pressure that doesn't come from the outside world, but from within. These are the heavy expectations we place upon ourselves. They promise achievement and perfection, but often they exhaust the spirit, leaving us feeling depleted before we've even begun. This internal pressure constricts our emotional landscape. It's the voice that whispers we aren't doing enough, that our rest isn't earned, that every moment must be productive. This constant self-evaluation fills the precious space our minds and hearts need to simply be. It's like a room so full of furniture there's no room to walk, no place to sit and breathe. We find ourselves reacting to the day instead of engaging with it, our creativity and joy stifled by a checklist of self-imposed demands. But what if we chose a different path? What if we decided to offer ourselves a little more grace? Simpler expectations often create healthier emotional breathing. This isn't about lowering our standards, but about aligning them with our humanity. It's the micro-choice to focus on one task instead of 10. It's allowing a walk in nature to be just a walk, without the need to track steps or distance. It's celebrating the small, quiet victories, making a nourishing meal, finishing a single chapter of a book, or simply taking 5 minutes to watch the clouds. Simplicity restores emotional space, allowing us to move, think, and feel with greater freedom and clarity. Let's try it now. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you wish. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And as you exhale, imagine one of those heavy expectations dissolving, leaving your shoulders. Inhale again, drawing in a sense of ease, and exhale, releasing the need for everything to be perfect. Feel the space you are creating within yourself, just with your breath. This is your sanctuary. This practice isn't a one-time thing, but a gentle, ongoing conversation with yourself. It's a commitment to kindness. As you move through your day, carry this feeling of spaciousness with you. Notice when the weight of an old expectation returns, and gently, without judgment, choose to set it down. Lighten one expectation today.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.